Hello, everyone. I hope that you're having a good evening. I've just finished preparing my chemistry lesson for the week for my year 11. So I wanted to share my lesson idea on how I'm using Miro, which is a web whiteboard app with a zoomable canvas. It allows you to add multimedia. And so I'm going to show you how I've added video, and also the slideshow onto the same canvas, which I found really, really useful on top of a mind map. Okay, so firstly, you can see here on this screen that I have all my lessons for this unit. So I've started it already with year 11, and I've added a GIF file, which I picked out from sections of the video to include in my mind map. And then I'm going to be labeling these with students later on. And then you can see here that we got multiple representation. So I found it really useful to use a GIF as well as a static image so that students can see the link between the real and the diagram, and then a video to go with that as well. Okay. And then you can see here on the side, I have my slideshow ready for period 1 next week. So I'm going to show you how the slideshow works first. So if I move it down a little bit, you can see that I can scroll through each of my slides. And then I'll be able to annotate them as well. So with this pen, so I can actually write on them. And if I was using my slideshow, what I can do is move the canvas and expand it to the size that students can see, because I'll be sharing this on maybe Google Classroom, on Zoom, etc. Okay, so students will be doing the activity, and then once they've done it, then they can mark their work. And then in terms of teacher walkthrough, I might be going through, so next week, I know that I'll be teaching cracking with my year 11. So I'll be reviewing what they've done from before, and then talk them through the concept just using these images here. And then here, that you can play the video straight on the canvas. Right, that should work.
In this video,
and then you can expand it,
cracking, how it is carried out,
and then escape to zoom back and pause, and then you'll be able to draw maybe kind of like a concept map. So with students, students can collaborate on this canvas, so they can be adding labels with your video as they go along. And the feature that I want to explore is this video chat. So students will be able to kind of like have a discussion with time limit, voting, and all that. So I'll be able to see their reaction as well. So I haven't used that yet because I don't have the full version. The free version allows me to do a lot anyway with the timer and things like that, so they can respond. So you can see how useful it is. And what else? So I'm just going to show you how these media are added together. So initially, I've used the template just to do my a skeleton kind of like mind map. So I'll add that in. That's how I came up with these labels very quickly. So that's the template. And if I want to add, let's say, a presentation here, I can move it around as well. So I can upload from my Google Drive. And then simply double click. And then it's going to take about 5 seconds to add the presentation. And then you can just move it to where you want it to be. And it means then this is, that's like the most surprising thing. It's so quick to do. And then what else? If I want to add, let's say, a video, then I'll click on that, paste the video link. Ooh, I need to find a video link. Let's say that's the video link, and press OK. And then it's going to add my YouTube video, which came from the presentation, so that I can include it in my mind map. What else? I could be adding maybe a PDF. Let's see what else I've got on my Google Drive. Right, I probably need to find, let's say, if there's a student work. Right, you can see here it doesn't take that long to load up any image really. That's student work. So I'm just going to make it smaller because that file is huge. And so you can see that's just an example. So you can add PDF, anything like that you can label. So actually, this is a very, very useful tool. And I hope that it's going to help if you're teaching online, particularly being able to annotate live and adding colors, adding boxes, sticky notes of different colors. So students can be writing their notes or as you present or as they learn it and collaborate with you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.